Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about how to delete system apps on Android phones without using computer or root. In this video, we will use Shizuku app and Canta app to delete bloatware on Android phones. I've included their download links in the video's description. Now the following are the procedures on how to delete system apps using the two apps I told you before. First, go to your phone settings and go to My Phone or About Phone. Then scroll down and tap Build number 7 times. Then you'll see a text that you are now a developer. Then go back, scroll down and go to System, then Developer Options, and scroll down again till you see USB debugging and turn it on. Once you are done with that, the next thing you are supposed to do is to just connect your phone to a Wi-Fi connection, but the other phone whose hotspot is on is not even needed to be online, just the connection matters. Then, once you are connected to a Wi-Fi connection, go back to the same page you were on and turn on wireless debugging. After that, go back to your home screen and open Shizuku application and let it launch. When it is opened, press the pairing option and select Developer Options. Then this will take you to Developer Options settings, and you'll scroll down and enter into the wireless debugging option. Press Pair Device with Pairing Code, and a code will pop up. Then you'll have to paste the code to Shizuku, as its notification will also pop up on top of your screen, and after pasting it, you'll send the code pasted. Then, Shizuku will notify you that pairing is successful if you pasted correctly the code you copied. Then press the back arrow till you reach Shizuku's home screen and tap on Start for Shizuku to start running, and once done, then go to your desktop home screen and open Canta app to begin deleting the system apps that you don't need. Once Canta is opened, you'll see a list of all system apps. And so you'll have to select all the system apps you don't need by scrolling down and looking for each system app you need to delete. And once you are done selecting all the system apps you don't need, you are one step away from deleting them all in a single click. Then press the bin icon on the right bottom corner. Then you'll press OK to the menu that will pop up to confirm that you are willingly deleting the apps you've selected. And after that, you'll see other menus saying Success, meaning that you have successfully deleted the system apps on your Android phone. And that is how to delete system apps on your Android phones using Canta and Shizuku. And to only prove that, Phoenix is one of the apps I deleted, and if we search for it on the search bar, boom, it is not there. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you found this video useful.